welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to easily cut a pumpkin, the various dishes you can try with it, and also how to use the seeds. So let's get started. Today I've taken one pumpkin. This weighs about 1 kg. The pumpkin will have segments like this. Run your knife through it and cut off one segment. This is how it's going to look inside. Now scoop out the seeds like this. You need not discard the seeds, you can roast them and enjoy. I've already made a video on it, so you can check the recipe link in the description box. Now cut it into 3 parts. Then cut the outer skin off. Likewise, you can easily cut the pumpkin flesh and make various recipes out of it. I've already made pumpkin chips and pumpkin halwa in our channel, so you can find the recipe links in the description box. Very easy hack to cut a pumpkin, so do try this method in your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.